Good afternoon, sir. I'm Vanya Vijay. I'm a first-year student. My question springs from your lecture and from Mr. Nariman's book, The State of the Nation. I feel we live in ethically impoverished times in a graceless nation. I don't intend to criticize India. We are a young nation. It's been 67 years since our independence, and we have many laudable achievements in our kitty. Nevertheless, it is seen that there is no knowledge dearth in the nation, yet there is less judgment. We plan more, but our accomplishments seem not to be commensurate with our planning. And to cite a few tangible examples, I'd say the Forbes magazine, it embellishes, many Indians embellish the Forbes magazine's list of the world's richest people, yet 1/3 of our country's statistics show is below poverty line. Indian Railways, for that matter, is the largest employer in the world, yet we have mind-boggling unemployment rates. Our postal network is the largest in the world, yet letters don't seem to reach the destination even 3 days after being posted. So we live in paradoxical times. In such a state, in such a scenario, how can we consider the constitution of our country, which Mr. Nariman refers to as the document of governance in our nation, how can we use the constitution to reconcile these extremes?
Rightly pointed out. You rightly pointed out of the picture. Everything turns upon the way you manage the affairs of the state. It's where our self-governance, the way we are practicing, has not succeeded in tackling the problems with our resources. There is no depth of resources in the country. What is lacking is competent management of resources. Our institutions are not attracting the kind of individuals who can tackle these problems. The most competent people available amongst us, they are being sidelined from the institutions. This tendency is a recent phenomenon. Initially it was not so. When the framers of the constitution themselves were the helm of affairs, things were very different. But the transformation has come with our politics gaining the upper hand. That's why we have to fight for electoral reforms. We must see that proper people are within the legislatures. And also we must see that certain conditions of eligibility are laid down for holders of these public offices at the political level. Unless we do that, this slide down will continue. That is the position.